Hey, good morning, and welcome to Catalina, y'all. Well, we're not getting off the ship, but we are up and ready to start our day, and it's going to be another cold day, unfortunately. But Kayshawn is still going to get on the ship, so come along with us and join us as we get our day started. This is Reed from the Best Buds. Bye. Well, look who has the whole pool to themselves. He has a whole pool to himself. Isn't that awesome? It's still a little too cold for me, but it's nice. It's going to be a good day, you guys. Super excited. I got my coffee and I'm chilling. Y'all, hey, it's Reed for the Best Buds. So it's lunchtime in the Windjammer. I got me a nice, refreshing salad, and they had some breaded fish. I got some mashed potatoes. I love their mashed potatoes. They're so creamy. And look at the beautiful view of Catalina Island. It's absolutely stunning. It's like a postcard. Unfortunately, there's not much to do on this island unless you have an excursion, but it's absolutely stunning. Well, it is slide time. Not for Grandma, but for Kayshawn. Let's see what he does. No, ma'am, not me. I'll let the youngster have that. It looks cool, though. Hey y'all, hey, it's Reed from the Best Buds. So, check this out. I was out there. First I complained that it was cold. Now it's too doggone hot out there. Your girl had to come in the room and cool off. My little buddy got burnt from the sun. He was in the water for like 7 hours. But he's having a blast. We're having a blast. Listen, the Lido deck will see me in a few hours because I got to cool off. Okay? But anywho, hope all is well. Just checking in with your fam, and we'll talk with you later. Bye.
Hello everybody, today is the last day of being on the cruise and we're going to have a ball. Thank you.
Oh, those look tasty. Tam knows I love a good cupcake. I did see your Ranger cookies, by the way, Tam, but they were hard.
We're done.
Hey, good morning, you guys. It's Reed from the Best Buds. Oh my goodness, I slept great last night. Today is day 4. We got to get off the boat tomorrow. I don't want to get off, but you know what? We're going to have a good day today, aren't we, Kayshawn? We're going to have a good day.
Yeah. We're also going to mini golf today. We're going to try to stay awake for the 70th party and the balloon drop.
Ooh. I'm going to try and stay awake. You know I'm an early bird for those that know me.
You know.
Yeah.
I stay up late.
Yeah. But we're going to have a good day. The sun is out. We're just excited to do this thing. Okay. But anywho, I have my coffee, the washy and soapy. And yeah, so hey, let's go have a good day. Let's go. Whoa, good job.
Go.
Oh Lord.
Oh, Lord.
Okay.
Okay. Better than me? I got a hole in 2.
My first drink of the day. Yay! I love this thing. Thought a kiss on the lips. Cheers. Well, hey y'all, hey. So I'm sitting there chilling on the Lido deck, and all of a sudden, I feel like this super serious pain on my arm. I'm like, what happened? Child, a bee bit me. Thank goodness I had my first aid kit. Okay, it's the last night in the Windjammer. Let's go. Hey y'all, hey, it's me from the Best Buds. Oh my God, I have to just show you guys this massive apple pie. Oh my God, I must partake. I must. All right, so this is my last meal on the Navigator of the Seas in the Windjammer, aka Jammer. Got me a potato, some salmon, and some pad thai, I think it is. But yeah, and I got me a Zero Coke. One last one for the road. Back to reality tomorrow. Boo. Boo. Well, so long, Ensenada. Until we meet again. Until we meet again. So long, Windjammer. Until next time.
Film that. It's the best part.
So, we're here for the balloon drop. It's the 4th, of course. We're on the promenade. My grandson wouldn't let me sleep. So I said, you know what? Let me come on down. Let him see the balloon drop, y'all. I got me some nachos. I might as well go on and just go out with a bang, right? So, let's do this. The balloon drop is on its way. Let's go.
Here we go. 10, 9,
All right, Kayshawn, this is it. We're getting ready to get off the ship. Thank you. So, tell me what you think about the Navigator of the Sea, your first cruise.
Everything we did was fun. We went mini golfing, we went to the pool, we went to water slides. We did a lot more stuff, but overall, I think it would be a 10 out of 10.
All right, what'd you think about the food?
The food was meh. Could be better though.
Okay, what about the cabin? Did you sleep well?
First 2 days, no. Last 2 days, yeah.
Okay, how come not the first 2 days?
I don't know. I just wasn't comfortable.
The bed?
Yeah, I just had to adjust to the bed.
Right. What did you think about the 4th of July party?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah? Yeah. If there was anything you would tell Royal Caribbean to do for kids, what would you say?
Probably get a better kids program
Okay.
on the ship.
Okay. All right.
No offense, Royal.
Okay. So will you come back again?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you said you're ready for the icon now.
Well, the carnival I want to go to second, then icon.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll see what we can do. Can you do one more washy-washy before we leave?
Nope.
Soapy,
Washy-washy.
soapy? All right. Bye.